Fake it till you make it.
Let's go, I came to win, let the games begin. For the state I'm in, it's Northwest all day, smoking haze again. But my patience been wearing paper thin. I'm about to snap, but I'm bouncing back. Really wanna battle, well I'm down for that. Cause your sound is whack and I'm counting stacks. Wanna smoke, then you better bring a pound to match. I'm going green, I'm in the zone. I show the lean, I hit Patron. I show the fiends that if your only dream is the flow supreme, you pin the poem. I'm hitting home, no giving up. Getting on and I'm twisting blunts. Sick as fuck when I'm in the clutch. I don't ever fall off and it isn't luck. I'm working hard for these perfect bars. I'm out of this world on the first of Mars. I ride that wave, then surf the stars. But you never seen somebody take a verse as far. I transcend time and space when I ride the bass. I hope you like the taste that I'm leaving in your mouth when the team is in the house. With the speakers to the ground, find time to break. So my mistake, it's kinda late. Feeling fucked up and I'm wide awake. And I'm driving great, no time for chase. Hope the cops ain't looking at my license plate. I ain't riding clean, I like the green. I do it every time, guess I'm a fiend. But I like to lean like my life's a dream. Even though I know it's not, rewind the scene. Let's play it back, I'm a maniac. Never know when I'm gonna say it's whack. Beat you with the Louisville, break the bat till your face is cracked and you laying flat. I'm cold as fuck and I'm blowing up. You're gonna get left behind if you don't adjust. I got bones to crush, then I smoke the dust. See, that body ain't nothing but a road to us. My gas low, rent late, hungry and I just ate. I think it's time to switch place. It's something I'm feeling and I'm writing till my wrist aches. Smoking but it's just shake, getting sick of mixtapes. I'm up in the